Hey guys, so tonight we are staying at the Rio. So I wanted to give you guys a room tour about this one. Okay. Okay, so let's start. I'm at the door right now. This is non-smoking room. See, I'm at the Rio. It's telling you to close your door. Okay, so we are going to start this way. This is the bathroom. They have like a dressing area here, which is kind of cool. And they have like a little chair you can pull out and sit on and do your makeup and stuff like that. And they have a pretty good mirror. Hello. I just had dinner, so. And Heather gave me these bath bombs. So I'm about to use one later. I'm probably gonna take them home with me because I don't really feel like taking a bath because I'm tired. But anyway, they have like drawers, like full of drawers. And then actually the closet is right here. This is, you know, this is an older hotel. So you could tell it's older. But they have a, I was gonna say a dishwasher ironing board. They have an ironing board, iron hangers. The safe is in here. They have a luggage rack thing. And then on the other side they have more like little storage space. And then they have a dryer in here, stuff like that. And the sink, I don't think they have another sink, but they don't have one. I guess they use this as like a desk slash, I don't know. But anyway, and they have paintings. And this is the mirror. And here is the toilet room. It has another sink in here. So I guess that one sink is in here instead of right there. But anyway, another mirror. Your towels, hand towels, stuff like that. Been in here for a few hours, so yeah, another painting thing. And then they have a shower bathtub combo, and it's a separate door, so somebody could be getting ready in this part or taking a shower in here. And then as you can and then there's like this handle went in here, so you know. Yeah, it's an older property, so this is what you get. So okay. So this is like the living room area. Lamp, couch, a little bit more paintings, pictures, my bag, ice, a little lounge chair in the corner. Excuse these drinks because we got a giant drink. I'm gonna link. Actually, I think that video is gonna go after this one. Yeah, that video is gonna go after this one. So, but anyway, I got a huge drink at dinner, and then I couldn't finish it, so I have three separate cups to put it in. So I have one over there that I was drinking on, and two over here. Okay, so lounge chair. That curtain does not open; it's stuck closed, which is okay, whatever. And then we turn this way. And we have the beds, 2 beds. And okay, the 2 beds. And then in here, which I think is weird, is the TV. But since the bed's over here, right? You can't see the TV. So I think it's just meant, the TV's just meant for over here, where the couch is and stuff. You could actually pull it out. I just figured this out like a few minutes ago. You could pull it out. Ooh, I don't pull it out too far because it feels like it's gonna fall. But that's it. Like you can't turn it. And then the refrigerator, more storage, and you know, this is kind of, it's a little battered up. It's, you know, older, like I'm gonna keep saying. Let's close all this. And then they have a little table area over here. And then let's turn off all these lights so we can look out the window. It's dark in here. But yeah, I'm so ready to go to bed. Alright, so it is dark. And I'm at the, I don't know how to say that, this tower, but this is a strip view. The Wing, Caesar's Palace, Bellagio, The Rio is right here. The other tower is right here, and then you can see the red part of that one. You can see the Wynn, the Mirage. You can see basically the whole what is it called? The whole, I'll say, north side of the strip from the Bellagio, north. You can see the whole north side, and there's the Wynn over there. I don't have on my glasses, so I think I saw the Wynn, but anyway, I like this view. It's pretty. This is actually the first off-strip hotel I stayed at so far. Yeah, it is. And the restaurant we went to was actually up there on the top floor. So it was on that tower up the top floor. But oh, sorry, excuse me. But I'm gonna turn on the light. Okay, that lamp, the here does not work. So let me turn on this one. Oh, that scared me. Somebody came in the door. But yeah. My door just shut off. I'm scared. But anyway, I'm fine. But I'm gonna keep on this light in here. Yeah, that's the room. So I hope you, oh yeah, I didn't mention that mirror over there. I'm not a big fan by a mirror by the bed because I'm weird like that, but anyway. Yeah, I am going to go. I'm tired, but I hope you enjoy the room tour. And this is a good budget if you're gonna stay at a budget, but you want a kind of a bigger place. This is a good place for that. But yeah, I'm gonna go. So thank you so much for watching the room. Good morning. I wanted to do, you know how I usually do the daytime view and the nighttime view? Well, here's the daytime view. Oh wow, okay. So that's the other tower. Sorry, I don't have control over the outside of the window, but you can see through the gunk. There's Bellagio, Cosmopolitan, the other part of Bellagio, Caesar's Palace, Bally's, Paris. You can actually see Paris. I didn't notice that until just now. Caesar's Palace, the other part, Flamingo. The Link, I think that's Harris in the front part right here. And then you can see the Link. No, Harris is right there. I'm tripping. I don't know what that is. I think that's the other part of Flamingo. Sorry. Harris. Parking garages. You can see the Mirage. Let me move over here. You can. Sorry, I'm watching a stream in the background. So if you hear scream, you can see the Mirage, Palazzo Venetian, and the Wynn and the Caesar's Palace. So you actually have all of the north view and the Encore. You can see the Encore and some condos at the edge. So, and then the building right here that you see is actually right here is suites. It's like secret. I just figured that out. And then at night, I forgot to show you, you could totally see, oh, that's Mandalay Bay. So you can see the end of the strip. I mean, you can see the big, my phone's ringing. You can see the beginning of the strip and you can see the end of the strip. Right there. You can't see Resorts World and stuff like that because Resorts World is more this way. But you can see the Raiders Stadium right there. And more of the Las Vegas area. And the other tower. Okay. And then there's 3 pools. It's windy today, so I don't think it's open. So that's one pool. This is getting a good zoom. You can see the pool area. That's another pool. And then that's another pool. And then there's one more pool, yeah. In the corner you can see that. You can see another pool. But yeah. Morning update though, like morning update, I slept so good. Like the bed is so comfortable. Like I was thinking, I was like, I don't know if this bed's gonna be comfortable. I judged the place, you know, but it's so comfortable. Like I didn't bring my melatonin, and I usually bring my melatonin. I don't know if it was close up, but I usually bring my melatonin so I could go to sleep, and I didn't need it. I literally fell asleep. Like within 30 minutes of trying to go to sleep, I went to sleep.